Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do unboxing on a new microphone, the Fifine, that's really tongue twister technology microphone 6778. Yeah, everything that's in the box is just plain white with the logo on it, but let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, I already opened it to take off the plastic stuff off, so, first off, we just take this thing off. First off, we get the actual microphone. This microphone actually feels... That's metal. That's also metal like. This thing's like a full out metal body. Okay, the cords in here. Let's go ahead and get the cords out. Ain't really nothing to it. Right here's the logo. That's a sticker. Again, full metal. I don't think for only $20. I'll leave it in the description below. And the other thing we get in the box is a tripod. Okay, that's in the box. Let me just put the box over here. The tripod has metal legs. Ain't really nothing to it. It's like a regular microphone tripod, but it's no metal legs. Okay, let's go ahead and get this thing on here. Okay. Yeah, it is a USB plug-in microphone. Yeah, I think it sounds great. I did reviews on it. Yeah, this is going to be part of my new YouTube setup. I'm going to do other unboxings, all other stuff. Okay. So that'll be it for today, guys. See you guys in the next unboxing video.